Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there stood a small wooden house surrounded by green fields and wildflowers. Inside that house lived an old woman and her husband. They were kind and gentle, but very lonely. Every evening, they sat together by the fire, wishing they had a child to bring laughter into their home. One bright morning, the old woman smiled and said, "Dear husband, I shall bake a gingerbread man today." Her husband chuckled. "A gingerbread man? What a lovely idea. Maybe he will make us smile like a real child." The old woman gathered flour, sugar, butter, and sweet spices. The kitchen filled with a warm, delicious smell. She mixed everything carefully, humming a happy little tune as she worked. Then she rolled out the dough and shaped it into a little man with round arms, short legs, and a happy smile. She added candies for eyes, cherries for buttons, and white icing for his hair and mouth. "Oh my, what a fine-looking gingerbread man," she said proudly. "Let's bake him now." She placed him into the warm oven and waited patiently, smelling the sweet aroma of ginger and sugar. When she opened the oven door suddenly, the gingerbread man jumped right out. The old woman gasped, "Oh dear, you're alive." But the gingerbread man laughed and ran to the window. "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man," he shouted joyfully. The old woman ran after him, calling, "Stop, stop, I made you. Don't go away." But he was too fast. Her husband joined the chase, waving his hat, but the gingerbread man was already far down the road. He ran through the meadow, the sun shining above him, his candy eyes sparkling with pride. Soon, he met a big brown cow munching on the grass. "Moo! You smell sweet and fresh. I want to eat you." The gingerbread man laughed. "I ran away from an old woman and an old man. I can run away from you too." Then he sang again, "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." The cow started chasing him, her hooves pounding on the ground, but the gingerbread man ran even faster. He giggled, looking back. "Too slow, Miss Cow. Try harder next time." Down the road, he met a pink pig rolling in the mud. "Oink, you look tasty. I'll eat you right now." The gingerbread man laughed. "I ran away from an old woman, an old man, and a cow. I can run away from you too." And he sang again, louder than before, "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." The pig squealed and chased him, but the gingerbread man dashed through the field with lightning speed. He was so proud of himself. "Ha! No one in this world can catch me." As he ran further, a hen saw him from her yard. "Cluck! What a delicious meal for my chicks." The hen spread her wings and ran after him, but the gingerbread man darted past her, laughing loudly. He shouted once more, "I ran away from a woman, a man, a cow, and a pig. I can run away from you too." The hen joined the chase, and now a whole parade of animals ran behind the gingerbread man. The old woman, the old man, the cow, the pig, and the hen all shouting, "Stop, stop." But the gingerbread man just laughed. "You'll never catch me. I'm too clever and too fast." He ran past the meadow, through the tall grass, and came to a wide sparkling river. He stopped suddenly. "Oh no! If I go into the water, I'll get soggy and fall apart." Just then, a sly-looking fox appeared near the riverbank, drinking water. "Well, well," said the fox, smiling. "Why are you standing here all alone, little man?" The gingerbread man sighed. "I've run from everyone, but now I can't cross this river." The fox grinned. "Oh, that's easy. I can help you cross. Just hop onto my back." The gingerbread man hesitated for a moment, then said, "You seem kind. "All right." He jumped onto the fox's back, and the fox began swimming smoothly across the river. After a while, the fox said, "The water is getting deeper. Climb onto my head, little man." The gingerbread man moved carefully onto the fox's head, still singing softly, "Run, run, as fast as you can." Soon, the fox said again, "The water is even deeper. Climb onto my nose." The gingerbread man crawled onto the fox's nose, happy that he would finally reach the other side. But as they reached the bank, the fox suddenly tossed him high into the air. Snap! The fox opened his mouth wide and gobbled up the gingerbread man in one quick bite. And that was the end of the gingerbread man, who thought no one could ever catch him. The old woman reached the riverbank just in time to see the fox licking his lips. She sighed sadly, "Oh, my poor little gingerbread man, if only you had listened." And from that day on, she baked cookies instead, ones that stayed quietly on the plate. The story spread through the village, reminding everyone that pride always comes before a fall. So children, remember, it's good to be clever and fast, but never too proud to listen. Because in the end, even the fastest runner can't escape his own mistakes. And that is the sweet and funny story of the gingerbread man. Run, run, as fast as you can, but always think before you run.